Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to show you how to create drop-down fields and list box fields using HTML. In HTML, we have to use a tag name known as select tag, and along with the select tag, we have to use another tag known as option tag for creating the drop-down fields and list box fields. So how to use these tags for creating this drop-down and list box fields? Let me practically demonstrate right now. For that, I'll switch to this editor where we have the sample HTML code which is already written. Now, inside this body tags, I'm going to write down the select start tag. Now I need to close this select tag by using closing tag, that is /select. Now inside the select tag, I have to use this option tag. Depending on how many options you want to display in the drop-down field. When you click on the or select the drop-down field will display a list of options. But how many options? That many number of option tags you have to specify here inside the select tag. So this option tag is going to be the child tag of the select tag. Now /option. The first option, let's say I would like to give it as blue color. I'm just taking the colors as example for the options here. I'll copy this and let's say I would like to give some options: blue, orange, green, yellow, okay, red, like that. Some color options I want to display in the drop down field. When you select the drop down field, I want to get these options. Now save this. Now, if I open this HTML file where this particular code has been written and saved, if I open that, you will be able to see a drop down field. Click on that, you will get all these options. Out of all these options, you can select any option. Let's say I would like to select green. Can I deselect this option, green color? No. I can change the option. At a time, only one option I can select. I can change the option. I cannot deselect, but I can change the options. So now I'm going to demonstrate how to create a list box field. So what is the difference between a drop down field and a list box field? In drop down field, it will look something like this. Drop down field will look something like this, where I will be able to select only one option at a time. I cannot select multiple options at a time. Only one option. If I want another option, I need to change the option, right? This is what is a drop down field. But what about the list box field, which is also called as multi-selection box field? There in that, we can select multiple options. But the way to create that list box field is same as this drop down field only. So here, I'll draw a line for separation. Now here, I'll copy the same, you know, same code. Same code written for the drop down field. I'm copy pasting here. But here in the select tag, in the starting select tag, I'm going to provide an attribute name known as multiple. Multiple. Okay. Attribute name is multiple. Save this. Now go here and refresh. Okay. So what we can do here is I'll write br so that this line will go into the next line. Save this and refresh. Here also I'll add the br tags, break, so that we can go to the new lines. Now you can see on the top of this line, we have the drop-down field created with the help of this HTML code, select tags. But here multiple attribute is not mentioned. Here multiple attribute mentioned means multiple is equal to true automatically. Okay. But here multiple is not mentioned. So this is going to be a drop-down field. The code for the list box field or multi-selection box field is also same, except that in the starting tag of the select tag, we have to specify this attribute known as multiple. This will convert this drop-down field into a multi-selection box field or list box field in other name. So using the same select time option tags, we are able to create the list box field, but we are using one extra attribute known as multiple. By specifying this multiple attribute inside this starting tag of select, the drop-down field will get converted into the list box field or multi-selection box field like this. Okay. Here in this list box or multi-selection box field, I can select multiple options at a time. Unlike drop-down field where I can select only one option, but here I can select an option, I can deselect an option, I can select multiple options at a time. You see all the options I can select. This what or this how the multi-selection box field or list box field is different from the drop-down field. So hope guys you understood how to use the select and option tags for creating this drop-down and list box fields. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.